The numerical aspects intertwined with your life, spanning from your birth date to the letters composing your name, transcend mere coincidence. They constitute echoes of a profound language, a concealed code shaping both your identity and destiny, while unveiling mysteries of the universe. Have you ever pondered the letter count of your name or the corresponding numeric value of each letter? What significance lies within the amalgamation of these numbers? If this realm remains unexplored, you might overlook a remarkable opportunity to broaden your perspectives within the veiled realm of numerology. Each digit carries a potency extending far beyond mere arithmetic and quantification. Envision unlocking the messages embedded within these numbers, comprehending your strengths, weaknesses, potentials, and challenges. Through this, you'd gain deeper insight into your life's purpose and the prospects awaiting your grasp. Numerology serves as a guide on this journey. In this discourse, we delve into the mechanics of the numeric language, unraveling its capacity to steer us towards a more enriched existence in alignment with our true calling. Have you encountered gematria? Gematria, an ancient practice, assigns numerical significance to words, phrases, or names, either by interpreting them as numeric figures or employing letter-to-number ciphers. The term originates from the Greek geometry, illustrating the profound link between numbers, shapes, and the realm's tangible and intangible. Scholars also trace it to grammati, Greek for knowledge of writing, suggesting an inherent bond between communication and textual analysis. The concept found its way into Hebrew, acquiring mystical undertones within Jewish mysticism. Yet, gematria transcends its origins. It serves as a conduit between the ancient and the contemporary, the divine and the mundane. Its roots extend to the ancient Hebrews, who viewed letters as symbols of fundamental concepts. Over time, diverse cultures and traditions embraced this system of numerical values, shaping interpretations of texts, names, and events. In Kabbalah, gematria transcends textual analysis. It becomes a channel for divine connection. By assigning numeric values to words or phrases, Kabbalists seek to unveil layers of hidden meanings, thus uncovering profound spiritual insights. For instance, when words yield the same numerical value, an invisible thread emerges, a connection uniting disparate entities, individuals, and ideas. Throughout history, gematria has served not only as a tool for interpreting religious texts, but also for uncovering meanings within names and significant dates. In Jewish tradition, for instance, names are often chosen based on their numerical values, reflecting a desire to imbue individuals with specific qualities or destinies. To demonstrate how gematria operates in practical terms, consider a simple example: your own name. Assign a numerical value to each letter using the Hebrew alphabet or any other gematria system. For instance, in a simplified system where A equals 1 and N equals 14, the name Anna would sum up to 16. This number can be interpreted in diverse ways depending on cultural and spiritual contexts. Another application lies in interpreting important dates, such as your birth date, which can unveil unique aspects of personality and destiny. By summing the digits of your birthday, you can derive a number resonating with particular facets of your life and character. One of the most intriguing aspects of numerology is the discovery of the life path number. Derived from one's birth date, this number signifies the primary strengths, challenges, and lessons one will encounter in life. It serves as a guiding map, offering insights into one's true nature and potential. In a universe of interconnectedness, the numbers and letters surrounding us from birth silently guide us. Just as each letter of our name carries a distinct energy, the numerical combinations of significant dates unveil aspects of our existence. Understanding these energies allows us to anticipate challenges and live in harmony with our true selves and purposes. Calculating your life path number involves adding up all the digits of your birth date until reaching a single digit. For example, if born on July 23, 1980, the sum yields 3, making 3 your life path number. Each number from 1 to 9 bears its own significance, revealing unique characteristics and perspectives on life. For instance, number 1 may suggest leadership, ambition, and innovation, while 2 signifies diplomacy, partnership, and sensitivity. While these numbers do not dictate destiny, they provide insight into natural inclinations and how to leverage them effectively. Our existence is governed by often unnoticed patterns and cycles. In numerology, these patterns are viewed as keys to understanding the universe and our place within it. The recurrent appearance of numbers in our lives, be it in significant dates, phone numbers, or dreams, is not mere coincidence, but rather signals that unveil hidden truths about destiny and character. The perception of numerical patterns as significant elements is a concept shared by both Gematria and Kabbalah. In Gematria, deciphering these patterns aids in uncovering hidden messages within sacred texts, while in Kabbalah, they offer insights into the spiritual framework of the universe and the soul's journey. Understanding these patterns enables us to attune to the underlying vibrations of life and navigate with heightened awareness and purpose. Among the most potent and mysterious numbers in numerology is the 8. Resembling the symbol of infinity when laid horizontally, it embodies a perfect equilibrium between the material and spiritual realms, a perpetual cycle of energy and motion characterized by continuous giving and receiving. In the traditions of Kabbalah and Gematria, the number 8 signifies triumph over obstacles and attainment of elevated consciousness and fulfillment. In Buddhism, it finds significance in the Noble Eightfold Path, serving as a roadmap to enlightenment and liberation from suffering. Secret societies and esoteric traditions often regard the 8 as a symbol of profound power and wisdom, synonymous with renewal, metamorphosis, and equilibrium. By acknowledging these numerical patterns and the energies they embody, we unlock a realm of possibilities for understanding ourselves and charting our paths forward. Whether by interpreting our life path numbers, analyzing the vibrational essence of our names' letters, or recognizing recurring numbers in daily life, we engage with a fundamental aspect of the universe, the concealed language of numbers. Every number in our surroundings beckons us to delve deeper into our roles in this world. They serve as silent guides, whispering insights about our character, destiny, and spiritual evolution. Through exploring these connections, we align more closely with our authentic selves, uncovering avenues to personal and spiritual fulfillment. We're encouraged to look beyond the surface to discover harmony and purpose amid life's enigmas. Whether in pursuit of self-awareness, deepening spiritual wisdom, or simply driven by curiosity about the numerical fabric of our reality, we embark on a journey where each number and letter serves as a gateway to a broader realm of insight and understanding. Numbers wield tremendous power to help us realize our aspirations. Trust in your inner wisdom. It's readily accessible and simpler to awaken than you might imagine. For a swift elevation of your vibration, click the link in the comments for immediate access to our audio tool. If this discourse resonates with you, express your understanding in the comments by typing, "It makes sense to me." Remember to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications to stay abreast of the latest teachings.